Hi, Sherry again. Welcome to the new topic in PHP Become a Professional series. Whether you are an experienced programmer or not, this content is intended for everyone who wishes to learn the PHP programming language. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you like our work. It will support and motivate us to create more content like this. Let us continue. PHP code is executed on the server. It generates HTML, which is then sent to the client. Here client means browsers. Echo and print both can be used to get output/result on the screen. Let's see the difference between echo and print. Parentheses. Echo and print both can be used with or without parentheses. Multiple parameters. Although echo can take multiple parameters, it is seldom used. Return value. Echo has no return value, but print has a return value of 1, which allows it to use in expressions. Arguments. Print takes just one argument. Multiple strings. We can combine multiple strings, functions, etc. with an echo keyword. HTML markup. Text can contain HTML markup. If you have not yet subscribed to the CodeFork channel, please subscribe now. And also don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications on forthcoming videos. Please like and comment on the video to support and motivate us. Thank you. Let's see some examples with echo and print. Text strings are required to be enclosed under single or double quotes, but numbers are not. Thank you for watching. Don't worry if you are not understanding some technical terms like parameters or argument this time. All will be clear in forthcoming topics. Please like and comment on the video to support and motivate us. Stay tuned. Thank you.